cybersecurity, the top element of concern right now is supporting the usage of AI. We've seen this across a number of research studies when we ask about top challenges and concerns. The number one is AI technology. In my coverage area of cloud and AppSec, we're addressing how security can help developers who are using AI to help them boost their productivity. Torsten, what are you seeing for how developers are using different AI tools today?
App developers are using AI tools for everything that makes them more productive, write tests faster, code faster, create infrastructure that they need as code faster. And for that, they use agentic AI, generative AI, and to a degree, vibe coding.
Yeah, and for security, we've really got to find out what they're using and make sure that we can secure it. So just like we're talking, it's really important to talk to developers. So developers care about making sure their applications are secure. We have a lot of conversations about how much they care, but they don't want to have to worry about the actual security. They just want to produce their code. So security can make it a lot easier for them by setting guardrails, setting policies, making sure that there's automated testing going in so that they can make sure that within their workflows, they're getting caught, things are getting caught if there's flaws or vulnerabilities so they can make those remediations. Do you think those are things that developers would appreciate from security teams?
Developers will appreciate everything from security teams that provides them with guardrails that prevent them from making any terrible mistakes because they don't want to make those mistakes. They just don't necessarily have the time and the knowledge to thoroughly work down the list of all of the security checks. So, how do the security guys see that from their point of view?
Yeah, right now they're just all freaked out about the scale of being able to secure, faster, more frequent releases and updates. So again, that tight collaboration, everything about modernization for development processes is about gaining efficiency. So this is about, again, close goal alignment, talking to developers. They care about uptime. They don't want to be the ones whose applications create a security incident. So getting in those types of things into their workflows and making it easy for developers to use it with confidence, knowing that it's secure. That seems like that's what application security teams are looking for, the tools to do that, to just collaborate better, to be enablers instead of blockers. And it's all about nailing down those fundamentals of getting visibility and testing throughout the whole software development lifecycle. So that there's no handing over a list of things to fix without any context. And I think that developers care about that context, right? They need to know why they need to fix things.
Yes, the developers need a shared reality with operators and with the security guys. So we talk about this a lot, of making observability part of the developer platform, where when I create software, I write code, it automatically wraps observability around it. And this is where the security guys can draw their information and basically share that developer reality and provide insights for the developer in their own security reality.
Absolutely. And that helps, again, stop the friction that we've had in the past of teams throwing things over the wall. Or the last thing we want is for security teams to be circumvented, because if an application crashes, it becomes an IT and operational issue. And then the cybersecurity teams don't have that built up trust to collaborate and do the things that they need to do to secure developers using AI. So great discussion. I know we talk a lot about this. For those who have joined us, make sure that you cybersecurity teams talk closely with developers, strategize, find out what they want to use, how they're working, and then make a plan to incorporate security tools and processes throughout the software development lifecycle. And then working together. And again, Torsten and I have our eyes on this area and have a lot of upcoming research on developer-focused security and other areas. So we'll keep an eye on this and share our trends as we find them. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again next time.